Hey everyone, so as you can see I have my bottle bottom down and I'm going to do a rainbow bottle bottom. This one has 6 petals, so if you watched my big one that I did with the 3, I used the 5 petal, so this is just going to be a small one for this canvas. So we have our colors lined up in the rainbow order. So we have Artist Loft Bright Red Flow, Soho Cat Orange Deep, Artist Loft Brilliant Yellow, Lucas Phthalo Blue, Soho Emerald Green, Lucas Indigo, and Premier Violet that I mixed a little bit of dioxazine purple in there as well because I don't have a lot. So I'm really hoping I have enough. I'm just going to pour them in the orders, the color orders, but I'm going to start backwards. And we're going to try to do 2 layers. And I did put a white down so the paint has something to glide across. I need to quit leaning on this tray so it doesn't come this way. Let me stick a stick under there just to be on the safe side. Okay, so we're going to do it again, except I'm going to turn this. I'm just waiting for it to fall. I'm going to turn it so that we get a petal going this way. I always tell that this is moving. Oh, that's pretty in the middle. It's all rainbowy. I'm just pulling that in. And we will get some cells because I have silicone in the paint. Treadmill silicone. One dot of yellow in the middle, just a tiny one. I'm going to move that out like this. There. Okay, so now we're going to tilt a little bit. I'm going to give it a torch and pull this out. Let's see what we can do with this. So I'm going to come this way first. Go directly across to the other side. Yeah, we lost that outside petal. really need to do more than just one layer. Oh, she's going over the edge. Oh, we're gonna have to push it now. Couldn't save it. So we might as well have an off-center flower. Doesn't have a lot of cells though. Over. So I'm going to bring it back to the middle. I'm going to take it back up to this corner. So I think that's pretty good right there. A little bit here. Let's shift it around just a little bit because it gets muddy when it starts mixing together. That's going to be it for this one. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that notification bell. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Shop with me on Amazon. You can get your torch, the washing machine tray, the WD-40, all kinds of stuff that you need for acrylic pouring. Everything's there. Even have stuff for resin work as well. Join us on Facebook. You can see dried paintings. We can get into discussions through Messenger. And you'll be notified when we're going to be going live. And information on our giveaways. Everything is there on Facebook usually. And if you want to buy paintings, check out my Etsy shop. I'm running a sale till the middle of August. And I also have jewelry there if you're interested in jewelry. And now we're using Stone Coat Art Coat resin. There's a code below for $30 off a $80 order. And make sure you get the Art Coat. You can buy the other resin too and use the code, but the Art Coat is what you want for your paintings and for doing resin work. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Have a great day.